These AI ocean animal videos are pulling in millions of views across social media right now. And the best part? You can easily make them yourself, completely free, in just a few minutes. Stay with me through every single step of this guide. This trick only works if you follow along from start to finish. We are going to use two powerful AI tools for this, chatgpt and Google Flow. Both are entirely free to use. Let's start with chatgpt. Open chatgpt in your browser. To make things easy, I already built a special prompt designed specifically for generating viral AI ocean animal video ideas. If you want to grab that exact prompt to use yourself, just check the link in the description below. Copy the prompt, paste it into chatgpt, and hit send. Give the AI a few seconds to think. And there it is, 10 completely original, highly engaging video ideas, each one built for high watch time and massive shareability. For this tutorial, I am going with number 3. Tiger shark charges a sea turtle in crystal reef waters. Type the number of your chosen idea and press send again. ChatGPT will now generate both the image prompt and the video prompt for you automatically. This saves you a huge amount of time. Now, if you want to generate even more prompts for different topics, just enter the corresponding numbers. ChatGPT will instantly give you the exact prompts you need. For this demo, I'll also choose 2 and 4. Just like that, we now have 3 distinct prompts for our images and 3 prompts for our video clips. Now let's move on to generating the actual image. First, copy the image prompt for the first topic. We are going to use this inside Google Flow to generate our starting image. Open a new tab and go to labs.google/flow. Click New Project, and wait a brief moment for the workspace to load. Once it loads, click the generation type selector and choose Image 916. Select 2 images. Under the generation options, so we have a couple of variations to choose from, then select Nano Banana 2 as the model. This is the exact setting that gives us the highest quality still image to use as our video base. Best of all, you will notice we are using 0 credits here. It is completely free. Paste your image prompt into the text field and hit send. The AI will take a few moments to generate your options. Look at that, both images are ready, and they already look like something straight out of a premium nature documentary. Choose your favorite between the two, and then let's delete the other one to keep our workspace clean. Repeat the exact same process for topics 2 and 3. Just copy the image prompt, send it, and pick your favorite variation. Now that the images are done, we have 3 beautiful scenes ready to go. Now we move on to the exciting part, creating the actual moving video clip. Click the generation type selector again, but this time change it to video. Select ingredient as the mode, since we only need a seamless transition and don't need a complex start and end video. Make sure that the aspect ratio is still set to vertical 9:16, and select one output only so we don't waste any unnecessary credits. Then, set the AI model to VO 3.1 Lite. You will notice the credit cost here, but don't worry. Every Google account gets 50 free Google Flow credits refreshed every single day. Now switch back to ChatGPT and copy the very first video prompt that was generated alongside your image prompt. Back in Flow, simply drag your first image into the Add Ingredient box, paste the video prompt into the text field, and press send. Now we just wait a moment while the AI works its magic and builds the video. And there you have it. Your very first cinematic video clip is ready. And notice how it even includes realistic, immersive sound effects automatically. Now, simply repeat the exact same process with the remaining 2 images. And there it is. All the videos are done. Look at how incredibly cinematic that looks, the lighting, the fluid movement, the intense atmosphere. This is the exact kind of content that stops people from scrolling past their feeds. To save it to your device, just click the download icon, make sure to choose the highest resolution available, and wait a moment for the file to land in your storage. That is the full process, from start to finish. You can repeat these exact same steps with any of the other 9 ideas ChatGPT gave you, or run the master prompt again for a completely fresh batch. Each generation is a brand new viral video waiting to be posted. You now have every single tool you need to start posting this type of high-performing content today. Follow each step exactly, stay consistent with your uploads, and the views will absolutely come. If you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.